Hello everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with this beautiful card. Here these tags are there. You can write messages on it. You can add picture here and you can add message also. So in today's tutorial you will be learning this card. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. So for making our project we need to have all these things: black cardstock, some leftover pattern papers, or we can say some waste pattern papers or scrap papers, satin twine, foam tape, some fuzzy cutouts or any flowers for decoration of your card, and glue and scissors. So let's get started. So in starting here I have taken this black cardstock which measures 5 by 8 inches and I have already scored from the mid of this cardstock for making my card base. So it is ready now. So now I am going to take some scrap papers. So I have already pre-cut some half-inch strips from these papers. So I am going to add these strips diagonally on my card base like that. So I will paste all the strips like that. Like that. So here I have cut this strip because we need small strip here like that. Now I'm going to use glue on it and I will paste it. First I have added this strip on the top of this card and now I'm adding this on the bottom of this card. As I have glued all the strips, now we have to cut the excess papers using our scissors like that. Like that. So now our card base is ready. So now I'm going to decorate my card. So for this, here I'm taking this doily die. It is from Dress My Craft. So here I'm cutting this from the mid and now here I'm taking this scrap paper. So here I have already added some foam tape because I want to give some dimension to my card. I'm going to paste it in the center of this card like that, and I will paste this doily die like that. Like that. here I'm taking some fuzzy cutouts from the motif sheet of the same paper pad. Here I'm using Dress My Craft Whispering Love paper pad. So I'm using the same motif sheet. So now I'm going to attach these motifs on my card like that. So firstly here I'm taking this satin twine and I will add this. Now here I have taken this sentiment, I am at my kind of place, and I have rolled it using my scissors like that. And now I'm going to add some foam tape on the both corner of this. Like that. Like that. Now here I'm taking this one more sentiment of love. I'm going to add it here. So now the front decoration is done. Now here I'm adding one pattern paper like that, so that we can write any message on it. Here also I have added some foam tape. So I'm adding this in the center of this card like that. Now on this side here I'm taking this doily die. I'm going to add it in the corner of this side. And here I have already pre-cut these tags. One is the plain tag and this one is from pattern paper. So we can write messages on both the sides. So we can add here like that. So for today our project has been completed. Hope you people liked it. If you people liking our videos, then please do subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet. And do not forget to like our video and please share your views in comment section. Thank you for watching Monishka's Art and Craft World. Keep watching.